Hello and welcome to the Chordious 2.0 installation tutorial. I'm going to be walking through the steps it takes to install Chordious 2.0 to your Windows PC. For this tutorial I'm using Windows 10, but these steps should work for Windows 7 and greater. So if you've installed Windows desktop software before, then this should be a piece of cake and you can probably skip this video and move on to the next one. Otherwise, why don't you just follow along? So the first thing I'm going to do is open up a web browser and go to the Chordious website. Chordious.com. Here's the Chordious website. You have links up in the top here to see the blog, download, look at screenshots, get help, or contact me, the developer, if you have any questions or feedback. But we're going to go ahead and just click on this big blue button down here for Getting Chordious to take us to the download page. As you can see, as of this video, the latest version of Chordious is 2.0. It's just released a few days ago. And right here we have the Windows Setup MSI. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to my desktop. Alright, saving it to my desktop. Now you'll see this little dialog pop up on Windows 10, and maybe even on Windows 7 and 8. Basically all this is saying is that Chordious 2.0 is not commonly downloaded, which of course it isn't because it's brand new, and so they don't know whether or not it could be harmful. So you can go ahead and ignore this. There's going to be another dialog, a similar dialog when we actually run the installer, and we're going to go ahead and run it anyway. If you have more questions about why is it putting up these scary security warnings, we have a link right here on the download page. If you click on that, it'll go to the help and it'll explain what Windows Smart Screen is and what is it trying to prevent you from doing that might hurt your computer. But there's nothing to worry about here with Chordious. It's just Microsoft doesn't recognize the program. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this now. I'm going to double click on the installer, and just like I said, it's saying, hey, we don't know what this is. On Windows 10 you can just click on more info here. There's similar steps for Windows 7 or 8.1. Basically there's something you can click on and you can run it anyway. So run anyway, and here's the installer. Now I'm going to go through this a little quickly, but clicking here to accept the license agreement. After I click the install button, it's going to prompt me again as an administrator, do I want to install this software. Unfortunately, the software I'm using to record this tutorial video can't record that, so the screen is going to blank out for just a quick second here, and but that's what's going to happen. A dialog's going to pop up, and I'm going to click on yes to say yes, I do want to install Chordious. So let me just do that, clicking install. Okay, I clicked yes, and it jumped back into the installer. And here we go. Really quick, Chordious is a nice small little app. If you leave this box checked when I click finish, it's going to start Chordious. Alternatively, you can go down to your start menu here, and here we have Chordious 2.0, and there's the shortcut to launch Chordious. Okay, so let's just go back over here. I'm going to go ahead and click on finish, and there we go, Chordious has started. The first thing you're going to see is this first run dialog asking you if you want to turn on automatic updates. The way automatic updates works is every time Chordious starts, it will check the server and see if there's a new version of Chordious and ask you whether or not you want to update if there is. I recommend clicking yes, but if you don't want it checking or you don't want it to be using network, or you know you're going to be on a machine that you're not going to have connected to the internet, you can click no. You can always go in the options and turn it back on, or just check manually. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. And it took a second to check and there were no updates, and here we go. This is Chordious 2.0. It's been successfully installed. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below, or send me an email via the contact on the website. And stay tuned for more videos where I actually walk through all of the features that Chordious has to offer. Thank you.